Well, YouTube folks, I'm back working on the Wellcraft Excalibur. Working on the starboard side clamps. I've got the ones done for the headers down here. I've got the ones I've got to do for the exhaust. And I've noticed there's a couple I haven't marked. I've got to take the little marker here and mark where I need to cut them. And we're ready to take these clamps off and make the modifications. Okay, there's the two that I missed. Now I've got one down here. Okay, I've got one down here. What this is for is I've got these vent hoses that come in from the side of the boat right behind me here, and there are hoses that go down towards the bilge, and this holds one of the hoses in place. A little screw goes through the aluminum plate which I'm standing on, and it holds the hose. And then what I do is I punch a little hose. It's like these black corrugated hoses. Put a little tie wrap on it, hold it in place. As you can see, this one is this one, base sticking out here, is probably trying to attack me and give me one of those infamous boat bites. I'm not going to let it happen. Okay, now to take the exhaust hoses off. These I'm taking off with the impact tool. By the way, this is one fantastic tool. I'm just popping these clamps right off the exhaust hoses rather quickly. Okay, I'm going to start the generator, which means I'm going to turn off the sound, and I'm going to use the Dremel right here. Let's see. What I need is the cutoff wheel. Here's a cutoff wheel. Compare it to a new one. It's getting a little small, but we'll take and use it up before changing it. Okay, got the Dremel plugged in, and I'm going to turn off the sound because I'm going to start the generator a little loud. Plus I need to get my gloves on. Working with stainless steel pays to wear gloves. Okay, got all the tails cut off. I got a little pile of them sitting right here that I'll dispose of. Now I've got to form the ends, and of course my Ford truck keeps on thinking that it's smarter than I am and locks the doors. That's always convenient. It's got to be a reason they put a code pad on the outside of the door. I have no idea why the truck thinks it's so bright. I'm going to give each one of these about a 15-degree bend. This is the one for the vent line that goes to the bilge. Probably not the right way to sit and turn this screw, but pliers are handy. What this little bend does, if you take a look at the little bend on the end, when you tighten the clamp, it goes through the worm drive in the clamp, and when it comes out the other side, it lays down after it goes through the clamp right next to the band. Otherwise, in this case, right here, it lays down so it's not in a boat bite position. Not that I have any problems with being a blood donor, but I don't know. It seems to mess up the boat. My wife seems to think that I should be carrying Band-Aids. I've always been a fan of paper towels and duct tape. Okay, we're going to go back and we're going to put the clamps back on the exhaust. I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, I got the clamps done for the exhaust. If you take a look, this is the clamp after they were done. You will see there are no little tabs sticking out there in boat bite territory. It's kind of, I mean, compare the clamp down here for the hose and compare it to that one back there. I still need to do that. On the other hand, it's going to have to wait till next spring. It's getting a little cold, and I need to get back and start working on this thing winterized and getting the block drained. But so that takes and wraps up the episode here on the Starboard exhaust clamps. Probably a wrap up for until next spring. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.